So guys, we will start new topic today, chapter number 2, which is accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. So today's topic that we will try to understand is guarantee of profit. So the doubts we will, yesterday Tanya had some doubts. We will clear those doubts little later after completing this topic. Okay. So see guys, what does this say? Guarantee of profit. For example, I will try to make you understand with this example. A, B and C are partners, okay, and this, for example, C is a new partner, okay, and then what happened is like A and B guaranteed him that you will get a guaranteed profit, for example 10,000 rupees minimum, at least you will get 10,000 rupees as guaranteed profit. So you will not get anything less than 10,000 rupees. Means, for example, if there is a loss in the business, so C will get still 10,000 rupees profit. So who will give him 10,000 rupees? Remaining partners, that is A and B. So this topic is called as guarantee of profit. Let's see, we will try to understand this topic with one illustration also. So let's see guys. Guarantee of profit means what? New partner or partners may be admitted in the firm. For example, in our example, C is admitted in the firm. He is a new partner. Okay. Firm with minimum guaranteed profit from the business. And he is told, no matter what happens, at least you will get 10,000 rupees. You will not get in any case, any scenario less than 10,000 rupees. For example, if there is very good profit, he will get his share of good profit, right? But if there is loss and if there is low profit, he will at least get that much of profit, which is 10,000 rupees, which is guaranteed to him. So that is the topic guys. Next thing, the profit may be guaranteed to an existing or incoming partners by, now who will guarantee him this profit? That will be guaranteed by case A, all the remaining partners in the agreed ratio. For example, in our case, who are the remaining partners? A and B are the remaining partners. They will guarantee him that profit. So either that, all the remaining partners, or second case can be one or more of the existing partners. Who? One or more of the existing partners. One or more of the existing partners. For example, first case is all the remaining partners. In our example, we will see all means A and B both, they will guarantee him this 10,000 rupees, or one or more. For example, only A guaranteed him that whatever happens you will get 10,000 rupees minimum profit. Who guaranteed? A guaranteed. So there can be two cases, either all the partners will guarantee him, or any of, or one or more partners may guarantee. So this is the case. Okay guys, now let's see, we will try to understand this topic with one example. This is a very simple topic and I hope you will understand this topic by today itself. See now what is happened here. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1:1. So X, Y and Z are partners, profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. So this is one important data point, profit sharing ratio. It is provided that Y's share in profit would not be less than 40,000. So guys see, Y is the partner. He is guaranteed that his profit will be at least how much? 40,000 rupees. Means not less than 40,000 rupees. Okay. And further, next it is said that profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 1,20,000. And what is the profit for the year? Profit for the year is 1,20,000 rupees. Let's see how we will solve it. See guys, so 1,20,000 is the profit. So 1,20,000. It will be distributed among whom? All the three partners. Who are the three partners? X, Y and Z. So X, Y and Z. These are the three partners. In which ratio? In their profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio? 2:1:1. This is the profit sharing ratio. Let us distribute now. 1,20,000. I have told you how to do the calculation in a very simple way. 1 lakh 20. Take the amount into, always multiply by 1, and denominator should be what? Total of all these three. 2, 3 and 4. 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So for one share profit is how much? 30,000 rupees. So Z's share is profit is how much? X share of profit is how much? 2. So for one share 30,000. So X will get 60,000, 60k. Okay. Y's share of profit is 1. So for one share 30,000, Y will get how much? 30,000. Okay. And Z share is how much? 1. So for one share 30,000. So Z will also get how much beta? 30,000 rupees. So this is what we did, the calculation. Now let us start the question from very beginning. X, Y, Z are partners. Profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. Okay. And profit for the year is 1,20,000. So when we distributed this 1,20,000 in profit sharing ratio, so X's share is 2/4, Y is 1/4, and Z's 1/4. So X will get 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Perfectly fine. Let us do first up till here, or we will first understand. Okay, no problem. We will not solve. We will understand. See guys, now what further it is said here. Y's share of profit would not be less than 40,000. So Y, this guy, his share is guaranteed. How much is guaranteed? 40,000 means 40k. Right. So Y has been guaranteed by whom? Who guaranteed by who guaranteed? It is provided Y share would not be less than profit for the year. Okay. So all the partners guaranteed him. So he is getting 30,000 profit, but he is guaranteed 40,000 rupees. So there is a shortage. Shortage of how much? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees shortfall is there. To whom? To Y. Now who will pay this 10,000 rupees? Remaining partners will pay. Who are the remaining partners? The remaining partners are X and Z. So X is remaining partner and Z is remaining partner. Both of them they have to pay, X and Z. So X and Z how much have to pay him? To Y? 10,000 rupees. So in which ratio they will pay? We have discussed that in the profit sharing ratio. So what is their profit sharing ratio? X 2 and Z 1. So this 10,000 rupees, both of them they will bear the shortfall. X 2 share and he 1. So 2/3 and 1/3 they will share. So let us do the simple calculation of 10,000 rupees. What will be the amount? So amount will be, if I will do the calculation, amount will be 3,333. No, I'm sorry, because his share is 2. So not, he will pay 6,667 and he will pay 3,333 shares. To whom they will pay? To Y. Who will pay? X and Z. Why they will pay? Why they will pay to Y 10,000 rupees? Because Y was guaranteed a minimum guaranteed 40,000 rupees, but when we distributed the profit of 1,20,000 in his share, as per the profit sharing ratio, came only 30,000 rupees. So there is a profit or shortfall of 10,000 rupees. Who will bear the shortfall? Remaining partners will bear the shortfall. I hope you understood the concept, guys. Hello guys, बेटे समझ में आया क्या concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now what we will do, I will show you the journal entries, how we will pass the journal entries. See beta, we will go logically one by one. First journal entry will be what? First journal entry we will transfer profit. What will be the first journal entry? Can somebody tell me? From profit and loss account it will go to profit and loss appropriation or not? So first journal entry will be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So we transferred this profit of 1,20,000. See, 1,20,000 to profit and loss appropriation. What will be the narration? Being profit transferred to P&L appropriation account. Okay, perfect. We transfer to profit and loss appropriation. Now after transferring the amount to profit and loss appropriation, what we will do? We will distribute this profit among the partners. That is what we are doing. So entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to who are the partners? X, Y and Z. To X's capital account, to Y's capital account and to Z's capital account. So how much profit? 60, 30 and 30. So now from profit and loss appropriation, 1,20,000 to X we will pay 60,000. Z we will pay how much? 30,000. X, Y we will pay 30,000 and Z we will pay 30,000. What will be the narration? Being profit distributed among partners in PSR, profit sharing ratio. So we distributed. But then what happened? What we observed? We observed that Y was guaranteed 40,000, but here Y got only 30,000 here. And who paid balance 10,000 to him? X and Z paid 10,000 rupees. So when X and Z will pay him 10,000 rupees, what will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be the partner who is paying, his account will be debited. So X's capital account, X's capital account debit, Y's capital account debit. To whom they have paid? To, sorry, not Y, Z, because Y is the receiver. Y has to get the money. Z's capital account debit to whose account will be credited? To Y's capital account. So how much amount will be credited? See here, X will pay how much? This much amount. Y will pay how much? This much amount. So let's see. 6,667. Z will pay 3,333. 3,333 and Y will get how much? Total 10,000 rupees. So guys, what will be the narration? Narration will be being deficiency of Y borne by whom? X and Z in profit sharing ratio. As simple as that. So this is what we have done. So I hope you understood this question, guys, up till here. So which topic we are studying? We are studying the topic guarantee of profit. So guarantee of profit, what we have studied? New partner or partners may be admitted in the firm with minimum guaranteed profit from the business. So for example, in our case, C, he is guaranteed minimum profit. and this profit which is guaranteed will be paid by whom? See guys, there will be two possibilities. One possibility is that all the remaining partners, in our example we saw X and Z, both of them they paid, or there can be second possibility, only one will guarantee him. For example, in this case that we solved, the illustration which we solved now, for example in this case it was written like X guaranteed to Y, only X gave the guarantee. Then what would have happened? See, in that scenario here entry would have been X's capital account debit 10,000 to Y's capital account. Z will not come in picture because he had not guaranteed. But in our question it was silent, so that means both the partners had guaranteed to him. Now next topic, see here what they have asked you: pass journal entries and prepare profit and loss appropriation. So see guys, profit and loss appropriation account we will prepare. Very simple. Let's see. I have prepared the format. Profit and loss appropriation, what will come? See here. First entry. What is the first entry? Profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation. So in profit and loss appropriation, what will come? Profit and loss account. You know that. Let's see guys. By profit and loss account, how much? What is the total profit? 1,20,000. Perfectly fine. Now what happened after that? If you will see, profit and loss appropriation, all the partners they got 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. So in profit and loss appropriation, how it will come? To X, to Y and to Z. So how we have done the appropriations? So to X is capital, but we know X got how much? 60,000. We will take in the inner column because deficiency is there. We know that. We will leave one line. To Y is capital, because Y will get from X and Z. So we will take this in inner column, 30,000. And we will leave one line. To Z's capital, and Z will get how much guys? See here, Z will also get 30,000 rupees. Okay, so Z will get 30,000, and we know that he is also paying for deficiency, so we will leave on. Perfectly fine. So this entry also we did second. See now third entry, deficiency wala. X is bearing how much? 6667 3333. So where we will show that? In profit and loss appropriation account. See here, X less whose deficiency he is sharing? Y's deficiency. So Y's deficiency. Y's deficiency is how much? 6667. So he will get how much? One moment. So he will get 53,333. And see beta, Z is also sharing the deficiency, less Y's deficiency. How much? He is sharing 3333. So 50,000 minus 3333. How much will come? 46,667. 46,667. And see Y. Y is getting from both. Y is getting from X also, and Y is getting from Z also. So Y in his account we will plus, because he is getting. So here we will write deficiency recovered. So he got how much? From X, from X he got this amount, 6 6 6 7, and from Z he got 3 3 3 3. So finally he will get how much? The amount that was guaranteed to him, that is 40,000. See, we prepared profit and loss appropriation. Sorry, this is not 46, this is 26. So what is the final distribution of profit among between the partners? So we distributed 1,20,000 between all the three partners. So X got 53,333 plus Y got 40,000 and Z got 26,667. So total is 1,20,000. So this way we will solve this problem. I hope guys you understood this problem. Any doubt is there? Guys? Hello? Guys, you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what? I will open this question. I will keep this question open, and you guys try to solve this question of your own in next 20 minutes and just WhatsApp to me. Okay. So I'll just keep the question open. Nobody will disconnect because after that I have to do the revision of this one. Which topic was that? What was that topic? Past adjustment. So that revision I have to do. So I will keep this open. I'll keep the illustration open. You please solve this illustration in next 15 minutes. I will give you 15 minutes and then send you guys send me on WhatsApp. Okay. Here you go guys.